Hello student, in this video lesson we will learn how to change interrogative sentences, imperative sentences and exclamative sentences into indirect speech. Start from interrogative sentence. We have two types of interrogative sentences, yes no type and WH type. First, rules, how we will change interrogative sentences into indirect speech. First, the reporting verb said or said to is changed to ask, inquire, or demand. But remember one thing, if we are using inquired or demand, we will use preposition of after these words. If or whether is used to connect according to sentences. No conjunction is used if a sentence in direct speech begins with a question word like what, where, when, how, as the question word itself act as a joining clause or as a conjunction. Understand with some examples. First, yes no type interrogatives. For example, our first sentence is David said to me, "Do you like coffee?" We will change this sentence into indirect speech. David asked me, and we will use conjunction if you second person change according to object me, then we will change it into I like coffee. This sentence was in simple present tense, and indirect speech we have changed it into simple past tense. Remember one thing, in indirect speech we will not use question mark because in direct speech we are converting the sentence into assertive. The second example, he said to me, "Will you help me?" In indirect, he asked me if. We have right subject first I, then we change will into would. I would help him. Look at the third example. She said to me, "Can I use your phone?" She asked me if she could use my phone. We change I according to our subject. In the subject, there is she, so we change it into she, and can change into could. Now look at the next sentence. They told me, "Have you gone to London?" In indirect speech, they asked me if I had gone to London. You is the second person, change according to object. The next sentence, he said to me, "Did you meet your friend?" In indirect, he asked me if I had met my friend. In direct speech, the sentence is in simple past tense, and indirect, we change it into past perfect tense. As we already know, simple past change into past perfect. These are the examples of yes no type questions, or we can see that the question which start from helping verb. Now some examples of WH type questions. Question which start from the question word. Look at first example. He said to me, "What are you doing?" He asked me what I was doing. In this sentence, we will use question word as a conjunction, and after that we will change the sentence into assertive. First we will write subject, after subject verb, then object. Look at one more example. She said to me, "What is your name?" She asked me what my name was. Your name, your is the second person, change according to object. In object there is me, and according to me, my name. Next is David said to me, "How are you?" In indirect, David asked me how I was. They said to me, "Where have you gone?" They asked me where I had gone. Teacher told her, "Why did you fail the exam?" Teacher asked her why she had failed the exam. Remember one thing, in interrogative sentence, we change our tense and pronoun according to our previous video, how to change imperative sentence into indirect speech. A sentence which express command, request, advice or suggestion is called imperative sentence. As you know, example, open the door, please help me, or learn your lesson. When we change imperative sentence into indirect speech, we change said or said to in ordered, requested, advised, suggested according to our sentence. For example, Noor said to me, please help me. In this sentence, Noor is requesting, so we will change said to in requested. Noor requested me to help her. Imperative sentence are connect with to. Get some more example of imperative sentence. Teacher said to him, do not waste your time. In this sentence, there is advice. So we change said to in advise. Teacher advised him not to waste his time. If imperative sentence is negative, we will remove do and use not to. Next, he said to her, please lend me your camera for one day. In this sentence, there is please, it means it is a request. So, in place of said to, we will use requested. He requested her to lend him her camera for one day. Remember one thing, in indirect speech, we remove the word please, kindly, etc. Look at next example. Doctor said to him, avoid unhealthy food. This is also an advice. So we will use advise. Doctor advised him to avoid unhealthy food. Now next are exclamatory sentence. How to convert exclamatory sentence into indirect speech. First, what are exclamatory sentence? In exclamatory sentence, we express grief, sorrow, happiness, applause, interjection. We convert exclamatory sentence into indirect speech. We remove these words which show happiness, grief or sorrow and change the exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Exclamatory sentence, we change said or said to according to the sentence. For example, exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow, or exclaim with surprise. Look at first example. They said, hooray, we won the game. In this sentence, hooray is to happiness. So, in indirect speech, we change said into exclaim with joy, and in this sentence, we use conjunction that they had won the game. Tense and pronoun we change according to our previous rules. Now look at the second sentence. He said, alas, I failed the test. Alas is used to show sorrow. So in indirect speech, we change said into exclaim with sorrow. He exclaimed with sorrow that he had failed the test. Next, he said, hooray, I bought a nice shirt. In indirect, he exclaimed with joy that he bought a nice shirt. Next, she said, wow, what a beautiful flower it is. In this sentence, we are showing surprise. When we will convert this sentence into indirect speech, we will remove wow and also convert this sentence into assertive. Look at the answer. She exclaimed with wonder that it was a beautiful flower. I hope you will understand the topic.